Okay guys, we're on lesson 5 of Unit 1, and this one's going to be about weapons. If you want to watch this YouTube clip, you can pause this video right now to watch it. It's very, very simplified. Okay, after you're done watching the video, I want you to do a one-page summary on the video. It has to be double-spaced, 12 font, Times New Roman. You can use the Google Docs, and you can email me the link to the Google Docs. Here, I'll show you one more time how to get to the Google Docs. After you sign into your account, go right here, go down to more, and the docs will be right there. And then go to create a new document. And then the untitled, put lesson 5 summary. Okay? That way I know I make it shareable, please. If it's not shareable, I can't see it. So make sure you do that too. Okay? Very simplified. Hope you guys have fun watching the video. The video's not that long, and the summary should not take that long. If it's not quite one page, don't worry about it. I just wanted to get a good basic summary of the video because it's a really good representation of like the weapons that were used in the war. Okay? I'll see you later.